Welcome to New Choice. Today we are going to learn relations in Malayalam and English. Amma, mother. Achan, father. Magal, daughter. Magan, son. Sahodari, sister. Sahodaran, brother. Ammavan, uncle. Ammai, aunt. Bharya, wife. Bhartavu, husband. Varan, bridegroom. Vadhu, bride. Sahodaraputran, nephew. Sahodaraputri, niece. Ammai amma, mother-in-law. Ammai achan, father-in-law. Marumagal, daughter-in-law. Marumagan, son-in-law. Ammuma or muttashi, grandmother. Appupan or muttachan, grandfather. Anujan, younger brother. Jeshtan, elder brother. Anujati, younger sister. Jeshtati, elder sister. Aliyan, brother-in-law. Nathun, sister-in-law. Ankutti, boy. Penkutti, girl. Adithi, guest. Aditheyan or Aditheya, host. Pautran, grandson. Pautri, granddaughter. Irattagal, twins. Dambadigal, couples. Vidhava, widow. Vibharyan, widower.